If you are heading into this holiday weekend and you do not have the money to go do the things you truly enjoy, go to the water park, go out to eat, take a cruise. My friend 2 years ago, I was in the same situation. You see, my husband and I became empty nesters and we dropped the ball seriously. We did not have money. We had not planned for our future correctly. And I came across a blueprint online that showed me exactly how to work 2 hours a day from my phone while making daily pay. They set up the website for me. They set up the automated business for me. It was basically a business in the box that shows you step by step exactly how to learn and earn online. So now this weekend, we are thriving as empty nesters, getting ready to go out on our boat. And all along while we're on the boat, spending time with our friends and family, I have money coming in the background, completely changed our financial situation. So if you would like to learn the blueprint that I follow, put yes in the comments and I will be happy to share.